Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the Surfinite Entity Detect browser. Launch Surfinite browser. The created clusters are displayed in the workspace. Double-click on the desired cluster to open its workspace. To set up a proxy, select the Proxy List tab in the left panel. Then click Add New. In the pop-up window, choose the protocol type. Enter the IP address and proxy port in the designated fields. For a private proxy, enter the username and password in the fields below. If you need to add a comment for this proxy, enter it below. Once details are entered, click Save. Now you need to create a profile and link the specified proxy to it. In the left panel, select Profiles, click on New Profile, enter all the necessary profile data and click on Proxy on the right. By default, proxy use is disabled. Select Proxy List and choose the previously created proxy. Then save the changes. And that's it. The proxy setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.